Hello. We will study 2-digit numbers plus and minus 1-digit numbers part A. Do the addition. To perform the addition we will bring them together. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Do the addition. 13 plus 4. We bring 4 more, near 3. So, 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. Do the addition. 13 plus 3. We add 3 to 3. 6. So, the answer is 16. Do subtraction with moving squares. 14 minus 3. We subtract by moving the rubber to the left 3 times. So, the answer is 11. Do subtraction. Do subtraction. 6 minus 5. And move 7. Do the addition with making squares. 10 plus 20 is 10 plus 10 and again plus 10 equal to 30. (54 minus 10). First we subtract 0 from 4, then 1 from 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Do the addition. Now, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Thank you. We will study how to make 10 next. You can download this program at k9math.com.